We're just enjoying a ride here on Tunnel Hill.
Really?
Me and... Really? There's a swivel on this camera, I can turn it.
I can kick you right off
like
the
that. She thinks she can outrun the camera.
I'm gonna break your elbow. You're gonna fly like a little turtle.
Don't be threatening Precious.
That's not Precious.
Precious number 14. If you hear that click, that's my bike.
You don't want to take it to the doctor.
Won't take it to the doctor.
You should put it on Facebook so they diagnose it.
Yeah, that's true.
Tell you what to do.
That's true. Facebook is full of experts. Check that out, folks. Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com, and today I'm at Tunnel Hill.
My fungus has got a fungus.
And look at this. That's a mushroom. That's a puffball mushroom. Look at the size of it. That ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. Whoop.
Really? Deer barking tree?
Yep. That ain't nothing. Check this baby out. Check this baby out. Look at that baby. You talk about big. That's bigger than my head. That's pretty big. And then this one we seen the other day, and it's all gnarly.
Yeah, you're supposed to release them. Look at that one. Show them that one because it's got fungus growing on it.
I see that. It's still pretty gnarly.
Yeah.
That's all. Got some birds up here. They'll hear me coming.
Yeah, I could have snuck up on them.
Got some birds. Look at them all. I don't know where to go. Woo! Look at that. Turkeys can fly after all.
You just busted that myth.
Yeah.
That's funny.
That is funny.
Like flying south in the winter.
Yep.
I don't blame you guys. Make this ride.
When's turkey season?
I don't know, but probably November.
Okay.
Think?
So I guess they're not flying south.
They don't fly south. Oh my god.
Okay. That went over my head.
Oh, wow.
I'm not a game expert. I don't know if you all can tell it, but fall is in the air here. The colors are changing fast. Taking some little photos here. All right. And looking pretty, looking very pretty. Gonna do some mountain biking. You can come with us. I felt like that was a mountain bike ride there. You can kind of see the colors. We're probably not going to have a really good fall this year. I don't know if we'll ever have a good fall with the colors anymore. Climate is a changing. So we'll see. But it's still somewhat pretty, you know. I think it's pretty to ride through here when the leaves change. I'll ride down here and hopefully it'll look a little better. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it looks good. Yeah, it kind of looks cool. Kind of looks cool. Yep. The sky is pretty. Some more mountain biking here. Touchy. When mountain bike, you gotta learn to use both brakes. Tip. Yeah. Whoa. Chain skip or something. And then ta-da. Cool place to be. Yep. That's burst. That's pretty bright there, though. Heck, that third one, that lower one's bright. That gets you where you want to go. Well, it's nighttime, folks. We're riding tonight. I've already seen 8 mountain lions, 16 bear, and a coy wolf.
1 alligator.
1 alligator. I just didn't have the video on. Seen mushrooms about the size of my tail.
Oh, whatever.
Which was pretty scrawny. My new machine over here.
Yeah, you're just trying to suck up. He called me an old machine.
I didn't.
You called me an old machine, right?
There's no witnesses.
Yes, there was. Pretty sure he said I won't step back.